What is up, guys? WWE Rules here. I'm back doing another reaction. Just because I'm trying to catch up, I've been slacking off. And this next video I'm going to be reacting to, it's called Dr. Fluttershush Treats Tourette's Bird. Yes, it's a YouTube poop. So yeah, let's see. Let's get this underway, shall we? In three, two, one, start. Oh, we got Angel running. Oh. Ah, crow.
My little pony, my little pony. Ah,
My little pony. Okay, get it. Yeah.
So, wow. What do I have to do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards, anyway?
I don't know.
I'm bored. Phew, made it.
Stop! You violated the law. Now pay your fine, or it's off to jail.
To jail. Oh no! No, Fluttershy!
Which is
Penis!
which is
Penis!
which am I supposed to eat first?
Sandwich!
Sandwich!
Yellow pudding.
Ah, Philomena, my pet. You're awake. Do say hello to our gracious hosts.
I don't have time for this chip bullshit.
Oh, my. Anything else we can get for you, dearie?
Deadass, oh god.
Don't you worry, Philomena. I'll nurse you back to health as a favor to the princess who is obviously
Shit!
Oh
Shit!
my! We better get you to bed right away. This is far worse than I thought. What you need is some medicine. Stat!
Open up! It's time for the pill!
Barnacles, I hate the pill.
Dr. Fluttershy expected that.
Dr. Fluttershy.
Always works.
Stop right there, criminal scum!
We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Really? You don't say!
Whoa.
Big it next year. Oh, for crying out loud! I said big it is!
Cuteness montage time. Aww.
Oh, shit! Ah, shit! I love you!
I'll catch you!
And he's dead. Fuck! Fuck! It's over. Wow.
She'll go easier on me.
Well, I guess
But
not.
it's my fault. No, it's my fault.
The kids, they listen to the rap, which gives them a brain damage. You see, with their hippin' and the hoppin' and the
Oh,
pippin' and the
wow.
I don't know what the jail is all about. You see?
Wait, what are we talking about?
I don't know.
Aren't you gonna banish me? Or throw me in a dungeon? Or banish me then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished
Peter.
me to?
Of course not, my little pony.
Oh, that's why they call it that.
Okay. Well, that was an okay YTP. Yeah, it's all right. Can't say nothing bad about it. So, if you guys let me know in the comments below what I should react to next, and if you want to if you want to join me in a reaction, let me know too. So, see you guys next time.